Dear students, in our today's class, we are going to discuss about the types of files. What actually the file mean and what are the types of files and what are their functions. So first, types of data files. Okay, in that first we need to understand what is meant by a file. Here, files are used to store data and information. I have explained in my previous classes and I have shown the program and file. Okay, in that I had told number of programs. If we store, then it will become a file. The same thing here, program, we take program as data or information. And if we store these things in a particular document, then it will become a file. Okay, data and information. Files are used to store data and information permanently for future use. If we store data or information in a file, then it will be stored permanently and helpful for our future use. When needed, we can retrieve our files. Okay, and next thing, depending on how data are stored and retrieved. Okay, file, it depends on how data is stored and how the data can be retrieved from the file. And then the files are classified into two types. File means file is used to store data and information permanently for future use. There are two types of files. One is text file, the next one is the binary file. Come, we shall see what is text file and what is binary file. Text file means it is a file that stores information in ASCII characters. This ASCII means American Standard Code for information interchange. In your first PUC, you have learned about ASCII characters. How the symbols can be converted into ASCII characters. How the numbers can be changed to ASCII characters. All these things we have discussed in your first PUC. The same ASCII characters are here. It means text file is a file which stores the information in ASCII character. Okay, it will not store directly in ASCII characters. In text file, okay, each line of a text is end with EOL character, that is end of line. Okay, just I will show you. While writing C++ program, in cout statement, what will you do? You will use end. This is for what? End of that line, and control comes to next line. The same way here in text file, EOL character is used for end of line characters, and then it is also called as delimiter characters. End of line or delimiter character. When this end of line character is read or written, when this EOL character is read by the program or written in the program, at the time certain changes takes place, certain internal translations take place. Internal translation means given text is converted into ASCII code. That is meant by translation. See, whatever the things I have written on the board, think this complete thing as text file. If you want to store it in memory, then all the text data will be converted into ASCII characters. This is called as translation, internal translations. Given text is converted into ASCII characters. This is the working of the text file. Basically, text file stores information in ASCII characters. Okay, in a text file, end of line character or the delimiter character will be used. While writing or reading this EOL character, certain internal translations takes place. This is called text file. And come to binary file. It's a file that contains information in the same format as it is held in the memory. Binary file. How we will give the text? In the same way, the text we will think this as binary file. Okay. Now whatever things I have written, in the same way, the information is stored in the memory of a binary file. Okay, but here in binary file, no delimiter character is used. In the binary file, no delimiters are used, and there is no translation takes place. Difference is this: here end of line and delimiter character is used. Here I will come from first onwards. File stores information in ASCII characters, but binary file stores information in the same format as it is held. Here end of line or delimiter character is used at the end of each line termination. Okay, but here no delimiters are used. Here internal translation takes place, but in binary file no translations occur here. Okay, so we will stop here. If you have any doubts regarding this, you can ask me personally. Thank you.